somewhere along the lines on YouTube, you start making friends with the other people that likes the same things that you do. I have met quite a few people, but like when I actually started watching stuff about chainsaws, I came across Brian, which is his channel is it's more informative than mine because he knows how to port chainsaws. Brian, you have a disadvantage over me, bro. But if you guys don't know who he is, I'm gonna drop a video in here so you can check him out. Do me a huge favor, down in the description box, click the link and go and sub his channel if you don't know him already. I can't remember the first video that I actually watched yours, Brian, but I believe it was probably the Homelight 925, or it could have been the Homelight 700 that you were working on. It had the 3/4 wrap. I can't remember which one though. But watch the link, guys. I mean, watch the video.
So, you ready to see what happens here with this 360? See if we fix this leak. So we're not getting anything. Well, we got more work to do. Sometimes these processes take a while. So this is the second video. My oldest boy, Cody, decided he wanted to help with a saw, and I figured no better saw to do that with than Grandpa's old Homelight XL2. So we're working on this all together, and he's also got to work on his counting and his APCs too. So anytime I get a chance, I work with him on that as well. I figured it's good hands-on chance for him to work on his counting and so forth. So, alrighty. So this is number 2 of the Cody project, and it's the Homelight XL2. Alrighty, thanks.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Yep.
And there's the oil. See? That's the oil. That's where all the oil goes.
But why is there nothing in there?
Okay, we got to take another piece off, okay?
Yeah. With this? I know how.
We got to take this off. This is called muffler. Muffler.
What do we do?
Another screwdriver.
Another.
I need a bigger screwdriver than that one.
his son's face at the end of this video is absolutely... I'd say there's never a dull moment in your house, Bubby.